Yeah, bonjour tout le monde. So, if you are A1 student, let us solve this question together. So, complétez avec je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il ou elle. So, complete this. Complete with you, which means I. Tu means you. Il means he. Then elle means she. Then nous means we. And vous means you for formal. Why this is informal. Then il for they for masculine males. Ou or elle for feminines. For they, feminine. So complete with all these subjects. Call them subject in French. So let's take it. Bonjour. Dash m'appelle Julien. So what is going to be here? If I A1 student, answer the question before I put it on. So bonjour dash m'appelle Julien is going to be what? Which one is the answer? Is it Joe? Is it two? One of the answer is there. What is the answer? So our answer is going to be Je. So it's going to be Je m'appelle Julien. Can you see it? Very good. Let's go on. Then we have dash suis professeur de français. That means dash is a professor of French. So what is going to be here? Is it going to be you as well? Is it going to be two? Is it going to be il? What is the answer? Answer the answer. Put the answer there before I answer it. So it's going to be what? It's going to be je suis professeur de français. Can you see it? Let's move on. Let's move on. Then and. It is and. Et vous, me and you. So dash vous, vous appelez comment? That means vous dash vous. This one is comma. Et vous and you. Dash vous appelez comment? That means vous appelez comment? What is going to be here? Is it Joe, two as well? Is it il? Okay, answer it. Be fast. Okay. It's going to be vous, do you understand? Vous appelez comment? You don't forget. We are going to have two vous. Vous appelez comment? That means what is your name? Are you following me? So our answer is what? Vous vous appelez comment? So enchanté, Julien. That means nice to meet you, Julien. Then, look at it. Dash m'appelle Biola as well again. That means Julian is introducing herself or himself to Biola. So our answer is here. Let us answer it again. Enchanté Julien dash m'appelle Biola. So what is our answer again? Answer it. Okay, our answer is Je as well again. So je m'appelle. Are you with me? Don't mind my marker. Let me try this blue. So je m'appelle Biola. So now say moi aussi. That means me too. Moi aussi. Dash suis professeur de français. Dash suis professeur de français. That means dash suis professeur de français. Me too. Moi aussi. Me too. Dash suis professeur de français. Is professor of French. So what is our answer? Our answer is going to be what? Answer it. Okay, it's going to be Joe as well. Je suis professeur de français. That's good. Then et vous and you. That means et voici. It's not et vous. This is et voici Ada. This is Ada. That's a professeur de français aussi. Et voici and here or and also or and here Ada, and here is Ada, and here is Ada. That's a professeur de français aussi. That is a professor on French too. What is our answer? Look at it. Don't forget. So it's going to be elle. I see elle est professeure. Because of this, for feminine, if it is masculine, it's going to be only out. So elle est professeure de français aussi. Then dash est français. Dash est français. So what is our answer? Put the answer there. Yeah, it's going to be vous. Vous êtes. Hey, no. Okay, it's going to be. Let me take the pen again. Vous êtes with liaison. Turn it to Z. Vous êtes français. Vous êtes français. So none. That means no. I am not French. Are you French? Can see E. There is E there for feminine. E. Vous êtes français. Are you French? And say no. No, I am not French. That means dash je suis canadienne. That is female Canada. Je suis canadienne. So our answer is going to be what? Dash canadienne is going to be je suis canadienne. Have you seen it? So please, if you like this, something like this, if you like this video, please follow and likes. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Au revoir.